Hey howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today's video is my update for the Happy Hour Project Pan. This is a PANtastic Ladies collab project, and it was created by Dannie from Dannie's Makeup and Deb from Deb B. I will have their channels linked down in the description box, along with the link to the PANtastic Ladies collab Facebook group and a link to the spreadsheet that shows you everybody that's participating in this project. This project started on the 12th of November of 2023 and it runs through the 12th of November 2024. It is a rolling style project. You can roll in as many products as you like. Projects. And then you can set whatever kind of usage goals that you want. So I started doing the rolling thing, and then I do better if I roll everything in at once, which you would think would be overwhelming, but for whatever reason it just seems to work. We started off this project with 30 prompts, and I currently have 17 left. So I'm almost halfway through, and I believe we still have about 5 months to go. So let's jump right into what my progress is. Starting off with prompt number 1, which is Happy Hour, and that's an item that you got on sale. I rolled in this LYS cream bronzer, and I rolled it in for 10 uses. I used it once this update, 6 before that, for a total of 7 uses. And I love this cream bronzer. The only thing I can figure, look at how pretty that is. I have it on today. I have it sitting somewhere. What did I just do? I have it sitting somewhere where I can't see it, so I need to move it. I need to move it where I can see it. I just put the cap in it. I gotta clean it off so that I remember that I need to use it. This is a really, really nice bronzer. It blends out really, really nice, and it looks so pretty on skin. I love it, even though I only used it one time. Prompt number 2 is Margarita, and that is a product from a Latinx brand. So I picked this Rare Beauty foundation. I rolled this in for 10 uses, and I have used it so far a total of 3 times. And it is a nice foundation. I do like it. I don't know, I mean, it doesn't look like it now because I have my makeup on, but I don't know if it's just maybe a little too dark for me, but I can make it work. So prompt number 3 is Old Fashioned, an older item in your collection, and I rolled in this eye primer from Gerard Cosmetics. I've had it so long that all of the information about it is worn off the label on the bottom. I have no idea what shade it is, and I rolled this into Finish, and I am pretty certain that I am going to accomplish that because I'm already at the bottom. I just have the from the middle over to the side wall to complete. I used it 6 times since the last update, 33 times before that, for a total of 39 uses. And the reason my use is low this time is because I have another eye primer that's a little mini in another project that I have been concentrating on because I'm almost done with it. I'm pretty sure I'll get this done by November. For prompt number 6, which was Daiquiri, a fruit-themed item, name, packaging, or scent, I rolled in this Burt Bees Orange Blossom and Pistachio Lip Butter. and I rolled it in for 30 uses. I used it one time. It's been a rough month, y'all. I used it 13 times before that for a total of 14 times. This is really nice and it smells wonderful. Prop number 14 is St. Patty's Day, a green or gold item. I rolled in this ColourPop Lux Lip Oil in the shade Emperor, and I rolled it in for 10 times, and I have used it 10 times, so this will be rolling out. I'm not real sure how I feel about these lip oils. I mean, it's a nice product. It is nice and shiny. I just, you know, me and lip glossy type things. The next prompt is number 16, another round, an item you love so much you bought it again or bought it for a friend. I rolled in my Covergirl Simply Ageless Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder. I love this. I have another backup. I might have two. I know I have one. I used this a total of 24 times. I used it 37 times before that for a total of 61 times. I love this. I'm not sure if I had hit pan on it my last update, but I may have. But I'm starting to go towards this side over here. I use this every single day. Like, I use this instead of using foundation, which is a problem because I have a lot of foundations. But when I'm getting ready for work in the morning, this is my go-to. I grab this, I put it on, it evens out my skin, it does blur. I love it. For prompt number 20, which is Nightcap, a product you use at night, I rolled in this greenive 100% pure cold pressed castor oil. As y'all all know, I'm sure, that right now castor oil is like the hot topic on YouTube. And I had been researching about it months and months and months and months ago. And so I finally decided to buy it and try it. That rhymes. And I have this in for 120 uses. Last update I had used it 22 times. I've only used it 9 times this update for a total of 31 uses. But I'm here to tell you I am loving putting this on. I put on all of my skincare at night before I get ready to go to bed. This is the last thing that I put on. I make sure that I rub it into my eyebrows and my eyelashes really well, and I can tell that my eyelashes are growing. Like, I have right on the ends, I have eyelashes that are getting really long, and it's having the same effect as the growth serums, the eyelash growth serums that you buy would do the exact same thing, and this is doing that for me. I am loving this. For prompt number 21, which was last call, an item that is almost finished, I rolled in this perfume. This is Elixir by Shakira, and as you can see, it is almost done. Like, it was almost done before. Where was I? Did I mark it? Yes, I did. You can see my line right there. And I am down to here now. I am almost done with this. I have had this for such a long time. I have used this 9 times. I used it 15 times before that for a total of 26 times. Not my favorite scent. This was given to me as a gift, And I don't know if you can buy this anymore, but if you could, I would not buy it. Prompt number 25 is garnish, an item you use as a topper. So I rolled in this Looksi eyeshadow in the shade Nightfall. I rolled this in for 10 uses. I used it a total of 2 times, 8 times the update before that, for a total of 10 times. And so this will be rolling out, and it is such a beautiful topper. Really, really pretty blue silver shift. Very nice. For prompt number 27, Friends in Low Places by Garth Brooks, a product you want to break up with. That's credited to Leanna7623. I rolled in, for whatever crazy reason, this Burt's Bees Lip Shimmer. It is Peony is the shade. And I put it on over top of the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick that I have on. And I mean, it looks fine over top of the lipstick by itself. I don't like it. It does not look good on me. That shade with that shimmer, it just like washes me out. I rolled this in for 10 uses. I have used it 2 times. I used it 5 times. The update before that for a total of 7 times. I'm almost there. Almost there. And the last prompt that I have is number 28, which is Mocktail, a dupe for a high-end product. That's credited to Helen Hirsch. And I rolled in the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I rolled it in for 20 uses. I used it 1 time this update, 7 before that for a total of 8 times. But look, I have a little bit of windowing. Just a little bit. But there it is. My 1 time caused a little bit of windowing. So I'm rolling out 2 prompts. That will leave me with 15 prompts to get through between now and November. Make sure you go down in the description box and check out Dannie and Deb. You can also check out the PANtastic Ladies Collab Facebook group and join if you are into panning or want to start panning. It is a wonderful group. And before you go check out all that information, make sure you show that like button some love. I would love it if you would subscribe if you are not already. Thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time with me today. I hope you are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Okay? Love you, bye.